What is up guys, Zanitech is here, and today I'll be reviewing the Apple Airtags. These are the cool little devices that released about a week ago, allowing you to track different items with your actual iPhone. They work with the Apple ecosystem with the Find My app. That way you can attach it to different things like a book bag, a purse, or your keys, and then you can track it directly within the iPhone app. This is a great little feature and device, so I definitely recommend it if you're in the Apple ecosystem and you'll lose things around and you always need to find them. So pretty much here I have the individual one, which goes for $29, or you can get a 4-pack that goes for $99. So if you want to get multiple AirTags and you're thinking of getting about 4, then definitely go ahead and get the 4-pack in the beginning. That's the way you can save some money. Or you can go for the individual ones if you want to have 2 or 3 of them, of course. Inside, you get just the actual AirTag, and the battery's already pre-installed. So you don't have to worry about installing that yourself, and you're good to go. All you need to do is update your iPhone to iOS 14.5. Once it's updated, you got to pull this little tab so you can activate the battery on this device, and then you can set up the actual AirTag on your phone. As you can see, it kind of reminds me of a button that you would get, at the malls before and put on your shirt, but it's a cool little retro design that they brought back. Here is also the 4-pack of the AirTags. They are $99, so you do get that better deal if you go ahead and buy the 4 at the exact same time than spending $120 if you bought them separately down the road. So if you're thinking of giving someone some AirTags as a gift or other family members within your household, then definitely go ahead and get the 4-pack and save that extra $30 if you're willing to buy that many anyways. Otherwise, the 4-pack is the exact same as the individual one. You don't get any extra accessories or anything of that nature for the more expensive price point. It's just 4 AirTags. But otherwise, the packaging is kind of similar. It's kind of more bulkier, of course, because you're trying to put them in, but there's nothing special regarding the 4-pack. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about buying multiple ones. The setup process is extremely easy on these AirTags. You don't need any extra apps. That is the greatest thing about this. You just need your iPhone on iOS 14.5. You just put the iPhone next to your AirTag, then it asks you to name the AirTag based on what you want it to be attached to, like my backpack, for example. And then all you do is just set it up to your iCloud, and then you should be good to go. Otherwise, once that's done, you can do many things with this AirTag. You can track it, you can play a noise, you can put notifications, or you can set up lost mode. So if you actually lost it somewhere, someone else can find it and then give it back to you if they find a way to actually, find your phone number or your email through the lost mode, then that works as well. But a cool little feature is when you play a sound, it actually moves the AirTag on certain surfaces. That's pretty cool in my opinion. But otherwise, I also got the Belkin Accessories. I got 2 of the lanyards with the pink one as well on the side. And you can see here the combination is pretty cool. You can mix and match colors if you want, but it's cool that they give you these accessories through Belkin because there's no other way to attach these AirTags anywhere else. Come on, Apple, you could have thought of something better than that. But I guess this was just a way for them to create an accessory market for these actual AirTags. Here's the actual AirTag inside the Belkin cover. It is extremely easy to take off, but it's also secure in a way when you snap it into place and then rotate it. So you don't have to worry about, it falling out or anything of that nature. But the AirTag is also dust and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about any of those other issues when having electronic devices like these. But otherwise, you just slide the case off and then the AirTag just comes out very easily just like that. You do have to buy a case or a cover to attach the AirTag to something. So remember to get your accessories along it unless you're going to be putting it into a purse, a wallet, or somewhere where you can just slide it in and forget about it. But otherwise, the device is so small, and I'm pretty excited about how they actually installed the battery in there. But they gave you this little stainless steel cover that slides to the left and to the right to get into the battery compartment. It does include the battery inside. The battery does last about 1 year from purchase. So I could say the 2032 battery being changed once a year, that's perfectly fine. It is the same battery that you would use in garage door remotes or in your car keys. So they're easily found at grocery stores or at other tech stores as well. Here you can see I can attach it to my actual keys as well if I want to, with just a regular Belkin cover and then the little key ring. So you may be wondering what actually happens if you lose your AirTag? Well, the latest iPhone, starting the iPhone 11, has something called the U1 chip. It's a chip inside the iPhone that gives you precise tracking to certain items, and this is why the AirTags were developed. So if you actually lose an actual AirTag and you're within distance, you can use the iPhone to exact measurements up to where it's found. So pretty much it tells you with vibrations also how close or how far you are away from this AirTag. And it actually tells you the depth as well. So if it's below you or above you, it will tell you the feet difference from the actual AirTag. This is a really cool feature, and I'm glad that Apple made something like this because it makes it a lot easier than just finding something with the sound. So here, once you find it, it's gonna tell you that it is here, and then you can also ping it if you still don't see it to actually find it even better. So they gave you two great options on how to find these AirTags, just with location or with sound. There's also this cool way to put the actual AirTag in lost mode, where you can put your phone number, and then if someone finds this AirTag, they will be able to see the phone number and email that's connected to the AirTag and find a way to communicate with you so you can get your item back and also the AirTag. Otherwise, if you find it and you don't know whose it belongs to, this is how you would actually find information. You take an Android phone or another iPhone that has NFC, tap the phone onto the top of the AirTag, and then a website comes up. It gives you the serial number of the AirTag and also the phone number and the little notification that says the item has been lost, please call me. You may be wondering, what if you're somewhere and someone slipped in an AirTag in your bag or your purse at a bar or somewhere? So basically how this works is the AirTag will start to notify you if you have an iPhone if there's an AirTag in your bag or with you while you're moving and it's not yours. So that way you can actually call authorities and let them know that someone's trying to track you. And there's a way to deactivate the AirTag by just twisting the battery compartment and taking the battery out and letting the local authorities know the serial number of this device. There's a whole website page on how to do that stuff on the Apple website. So this is a great feature, and they thought that through a lot. You may be also wondering how you would find this AirTag if you're out and about and you forgot it somewhere. Well, basically what happens is different devices on Apple's ecosystem that use the Find My app can actually talk to each other through a mesh network that lets them know where they are. So people's iPhones, when walking around, actually tell the Apple servers that this AirTag is there, and then it also lets you know where it is. And that is it, guys. This is the review of the Apple AirTags. If you liked the video, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Zanif Tech is out.